What's up guys, Diego here, back with another video. This is gonna be a different one. As you can see, I'm not in my studio. I'm actually on vacation. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is because yesterday we were reflecting. I was talking with my parents and we're looking back at the crazy journey that has been going, deciding to start the online business. And basically what I told them is that none of this could be possible if coronavirus hadn't got here. So I know it sounds crazy and it's not the best, and there's a lot of people that are suffering, but there's always gonna be opportunities presenting themselves every single day, and you just got to learn how to make the best out of it. Yes, I could have stayed home and do nothing and wait for college to start back again, but instead I decided to move, and I decided to start my YouTube career, my Instagram page, whatever it is. So instead of just waiting for the world to get back to normal, which it won't, I decided to take action. I decided to improve. I decided to learn new skills. So yes, it is a shitty situation, and yes, it is bad for a lot of people, but that doesn't mean that it has to be bad for you. So you have the opportunity to take the situation and make the best out of it. Just a quick disclaimer for the video. Yes, you're gonna hear some sounds and some noise, some background noise. I forgive me for that, but I'm in this balcony with this view. There's literally no better time. I wanted to record the video. I was feeling inspired and I don't know, I had a very positive attitude, and I wanted to transfer this view, the energy and the peacefulness that it's giving me into the video. So bear with me, it's just for this video. The other ones I'm gonna record inside, and I'll see you guys in there. That being said, let's be clear. I'm by no means saying that I'm thankful for coronavirus. It has hurt a lot of people, and my family has been affected by it. And yes, the economy suffers, but there's some great advantages, and this goes back to why I started a business online rather than focusing on my physical business, which I already have here in Costa Rica. And it was basically because I saw the opportunity. So when you guys see an opportunity and you think that you might be successful, there's gonna be a process of doubting yourself, doubting your skill set. How am I gonna get started? What do I need? But what I learned was the most important part was just to get started. So yes, my skill set is not perfect, and yes, I have a lot of things that I learned, but with coronavirus, I had a lot of time available. So I knew that I had 1 year or 2 years of quarantine and being locked up in my house. But instead of just waiting for the world to get back to what it was, I decided to use that time in my advantage. And while everybody was locked down and still, I decided to move, and I decided to make big moves. That being said, I know a lot of you guys are waiting to start or haven't started your business yet, but you're on the process of doing it. And the number one tip I can give you guys is just start. So it doesn't matter, skills, knowledge, money, time, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and start, and you'll see great results. Probably the most important part in which people fail, and in the main filter that gets the 100% of people that tried and converts it into the 1% that succeeds, is just consistency and starting. A lot of people have great ideas, but they never take action. They get their idea, they have this great idea, they might think is great, and they might have a lot of support from their family and from everybody, but they never take action. There's always something that holds them back and tells them not to start, or there's some type of worry. It can be financial, time-wise. They might think they're not skillful enough, But with the online business, there's tons of possibilities, and the main factor that separates successful people online and not successful people is just the consistency and the leap of faith that they take at the beginning. That being said, I was talking with one of my clients, one of my coaching clients, and I was telling him that none of the big entrepreneurs that you know, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, whatever, none of them actually got started early. I mean, they had this idea for a couple of years and then they decided to take action. But what would have happened if they took action since the first moment? It might have been amazing. Of course, they're very successful nowadays, but I just have to wonder what would have happened instead of waiting 5 years to take action. What would have happened if they took action 5 years earlier? So the main idea of the video was just to let you guys know that yes, there's gonna be a lot of shitty situations in life, and things are never gonna be perfect. There's always gonna be not enough time, maybe not enough resources, maybe you don't think you're ready. There's always gonna be some excuse, but if you guys look past these excuses and look into the future, so what can I reach? Where can I be in 5 years? Where can I be in 10 years? Those excuses that you might be thinking of right now are basically worthless, and they're not gonna be helping you in any shape or form. I said it in my story yesterday, focus on where can I be in 5 years, 10 years, so the long run, rather than focusing your efforts in, hey, I'm having a shitty day or a shitty week, or sales are super low this month. None of that matters. If you have a long-term objective, 5 years, 10 years from now, everything is profit, because you literally come into the world with zero. So if you're starting a business and you're selling $50 a month, yes, that's not enough for you to maintain yourself, but well, that's 50 more than zero. So just change your mindset, change your mentality, and be thankful for everything. So every single sale you make takes you towards this long-term objective of yours. So instead of thinking about the bad days, the bad weeks, the bad months, think about those little moments in your life that you have been super happy. What does it take for you to be there? How much did it cost for your vacation in Mexico, let's say? And focus on that, and focus on achieving those types of dreams instead of focusing on the negative part. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This is gonna be a different one. As you can see, I'm in my balcony. I'm enjoying the morning. But that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys are liking the content, please go ahead and consider subscribing, liking. If you know somebody that might lack of motivation or focus, go ahead and share the channel with them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura vida.